Hey everybody, it's Darren with Evenbound. This week's AI video, I wanted to walk through where and how to activate the AI tools within your HubSpot portal. There's a couple different places where you can turn them on and off, as well as links to some of the settings and usage policies that associate with those tools. So the first place we're going to want to go is click at the top right of your HubSpot portal. You'll see your account name. And then on the right side here, we'll see just below pricing and features, product updates. When we click into the product updates page, we'll see that we can search for product updates and they're colored or tagged based on whether they're already live, coming soon, in beta, in development, or the product has been sunset. So for our purposes, we're just going to type in AI, which isn't going to be perfect. Obviously, anything that has the letters A and I in order, for example, campaigns will be surfaced. But if we scroll down here a little bit towards the bottom, we'll start to see some other tools that have AI in the name start to populate. One of the first ones that comes up here is AI forecasting. We currently don't have this turned on because we're in our HubSpot demo portal. Wouldn't be very useful for us because we don't have much accurate data. But just for demonstration's sake, I'm going to show you clicking join the beta, and then it's going to allow me to select whether I want to enroll the entire account or just the individual user, clicking join the beta. And then the last thing is we'll have to click to accept HubSpot's beta terms. And so those beta terms are here on this page. It's a high-level one-pager walkthrough of what you can expect, what your eligibility is as a HubSpot customer using beta products, as well as some disclaimers. Again, I'm not an attorney, so if you have any questions about this, I would recommend your legal team review this. But this is documentation in terms of agreeing to the beta terms for HubSpot. Once you click on that, you can click join beta, and then your account has been enrolled. Same thing for any other AI tools. You see there's an assistant for Google search ads here. If we click to the next page, you can see that the AI assistant for social is already live, but there's a few other assistants, one for preview text generation, another for rolling availability. That's not an AI one. So again, if you want to join any of the betas, not just AI betas, you can click request beta or join beta. Join beta will guarantee that you're going to get into it. That means the product team has already turned it on. Request means that you're going to have a request sent to the product team at HubSpot and they'll need to approve it. Typically they do. So then again, to repeat, this is where you'll add yourself or enroll your account to any of the AI tools that are in beta. There are a couple other tools that are also available within your portal, and they live in the settings page. So at the top right, we'll click on the settings icon, and then we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom of the left hand window here. We'll see one of the options at the top or at the bottom is AI assistance. If we click into this, we'll see our settings for the AI assistance. So there's a couple different AI assistants available. One is specifically for content prompts. You can see it's applied across a whole bunch of tools. It allows you to generate content using artificial intelligence directly in your HubSpot portal across all of these asset types. The second is customer analysis. So this uses detailed analysis of your customers in your HubSpot portal to understand your conversations and help you generate summaries and responses as well as other copy. Really good use case here is for support teams to help speed up your time to response or to help codify and scale your responses across teams. We don't currently have this on. Again, this is our demo portal, so it wouldn't function if we did turn it on. But if I did want to turn it on, it's as simple as toggling this on switch. Now, a couple things I want to call out here. First is there's a link to the beta terms, similar to the products that we just looked at on the beta page, same exact policy. The other are linking out to OpenAI usage and sharing and publication policies. Now, this is interesting to note because this is showing us that HubSpot's AI assistants are actually powered by OpenAI's LLM. So that is ChatGPT or some iteration of ChatGPT. And you'll see the usage policies are linking to OpenAI's domain and their specific usage policies, as well as their specific sharing policies. So again, not an attorney. If you have questions or concerns about this, I would recommend having your legal team review them before you turn these agents on in your portal, or at least run this by your IT team, whoever's in charge of approving usage like this. The other tool or the other area where HubSpot AI tools exist are just below AI assistants, and that's ChatSpot. ChatSpot is a HubSpot specific AI chatbot that can connect directly to your HubSpot instance. You'll see there's limits on what types of prompts you'd like to allow. And then you can give it access or turn access off for ChatSpot and whether or not it can connect to your HubSpot portal. If you want to learn more about ChatSpot, you can click Learn More About ChatSpot here. It'll bring you to the ChatSpot homepage. But even better yet, I would recommend clicking on the FAQs. This is where it's going to give you more details on what type of access ChatSpot has and how it's using your HubSpot data. So again, to recap, there's 3 different places we can turn AI tools on within HubSpot. The first is in the product update section, where a lot of the tools are in beta. A pro tip for finding those tools is to type AI and then search through the pages at the bottom to find whatever AI tool you're looking to enroll yourself in. The other places are in the settings, specifically on the left-hand side, all the way at the bottom is where we can turn on the AI assistants. These live within your HubSpot instance, either on the content tools or within some of the support and customer agent tools. And then ChatSpot is an external chat tool that can connect directly to your HubSpot CRM, allow you to craft prompts, add contacts or other objects to your CRM, get information or reporting directly out of your CRM, a whole bunch of use cases there. So hopefully this was useful for you. Curious if you're using any of these tools already. Which ones are your favorites? Which ones are you struggling with? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much.